Alright, what's going on, y'all? It's your boy LSRod254. You tuned in for another one. Got that thing ready. It's time, baby. It's time for epoxy. It might be epoxy time. 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 That's right, people. It's epoxy time. Whole car gonna look like this. I feel like I should probably take that off, but it'll be alright. It'll be alright. It might be epoxy time. It might be epoxy time. It might be epoxy time. Oh shit. I think I also decided to tape off the hood. Because I didn't go to metal, I just scuffed it. High build primer. When I do the rest of the car. So this is only staying on for this phase. Got everything else blocked off, etc., etc. Yeah. So let's get motherfucking dangerous. All right, so we just finished up the epoxy time. You can hear the compressor in the background. It's still topping off or whatever. As always, I always forget to wear my damn gloves. And now I got damn paint or primer, epoxy primer all over my damn hands. Trying to get this out. About 9 o'clock. This is on a work night. Gotta be up in the morning. I'm gonna eat. And get ready to go to bed here in a minute. Let me show you what we got. I can show you what we got before I do all of that deal. All of that. It would really be so much easier just to put on gloves, but I don't think about it till it's too late. Uh-oh, SpaghettiOs. And damn, I got that hand be sweating on fucking gloves too. And latex joints. So there's that too. Let me finish up here. Man, as soon as the compressor kick off, man, I'll take y'all out in the garage. Let you see what you can see. Alright, so the compressor is cut off. It's back up to pressure. Right there. Right there below 200. So yeah. And you look over here, I got all the little primer containers, or the Harbor Freight ones. So I ended up using 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 of them. It's 10 in a box for a refill kit. So you should be able to do a whole paint job with one box or 2 boxes, I would say. One for your base, one for your clear. Like I said, we was doing primer. I shot it with the old Harbor Freight Trusty Dusty, which I'm finna get ready to bust down and clean after I get off here recording this video. Pressure, I believe it was like set more to 60, but it was regulated to 30 coming out the gun. I tried to drop it a little bit, but it didn't like it didn't want to drop. So I'm gonna have to get a regulator, another regulator, so I can, See, I got another one up here somewhere. I just don't know exactly where, but this one with the knob, I kind of like that one better. Although it is kind of larger and bulkier, I don't know if it's better for painting or whatever. A lot of people I see, they got the big joints, so naturally you kind of sway towards what you see other people with successful results use. All right, well, no further ado, let me show you what we got. Ooh, shit, son. There she is in all her glory. Glory, glory. That's right, y'all. The Landau is primed in the etch primer. Not etch. In the DTM direct to metal. Let me show you the can. Yeah, so it's the DTM epoxy primer is what we use. We use the Master Pro brand. And ooh, that'll be a hot thumbnail right there. Hold on. I get it while I was while I was thinking about it. Because a lot of times I be forgetting, so it happens. But yeah, man, as you can see, epoxy primed all the way around, The only thing, like I said, that didn't get the real attention was the bumper or the front clip and the rear clip, because of course they are made out of fiberglass, so no DTM required. As expected, you know, when you put your primer on there, then you can see your imperfections a whole lot better than just on the metal. Because the metal has a lot of reflectiveness going on, etc., but that we were expecting. Not too bad on this side, a couple dings. And like I said, not too shabby for this side. Let's take you around to the other side. This side you can see a little bit worse. You know what I'm saying? More noticeable dings, especially right there. That's where the brunt of most of that body filler and stuff that I got off came from. But yeah, all in all, not bad. Gotta close this damn garage down. We got somebody that got stuck in our damn primer already. Goddamn June bugs. Texas is notorious for them. You wanna hop your ass up on my new motherfucking prom job, you piece of shit. Glad it's there though, and not up higher. That would suck. But yeah, all the imperfections come to light. You know what I mean? So this is like the Monday for Whip Fest. Well, not Whip Fest. The Monday before the big showdown. By the time y'all see this video, it'll be much later. Probably like a couple weeks. But you can see, like I said, this will give us a good base for moving forward and doing our body work or whatever. Still got a hot build prime over it. Because the epoxy will gum up the, you know, sanding and everything. So we're gonna go high build prime over this. And then, you know, after that, then comes the fun stuff. Blocking and sanding, yeah. But on the whole car, like I said, this is the worst spot. What's the worst spot? Other than that, man, the car's pretty clean. is pretty clean. Well, now we know that we got a good straight foundation